Toy-tastic! Anna! Anna, open the door! I have some great news to tell you! What is it, Elsa? Is everything okay? I finally got my pilot's license! Can you believe it? That means I'm a fully qualified pilot and I can go anywhere in the world I want to! Oh my goodness! That's so exciting! Yes, and I'm going to take you on a trip that's out of this world! But you've only got 5 minutes to pack as my plane has to leave in half an hour! Okay, I'll pack in 5 minutes! This is so great! Oh no, that's the door! Okay, this way! I have no idea what to pack! I mean, there's a whole world out there! I guess I'll just take anything and everything! I hope we're going somewhere nice and warm! I was never really good at folding things! That was always Elsa's job! I can't fit any more shoes and bags! Oh my goodness, this is so stressful! But fun at the same time! Oh dear, this bag won't close! Phew, finally I'm done! Okay Elsa, I'm coming! So Elsa, where are we going first? Ooh, well, that would be telling. I'm going to keep it a surprise. I don't mind as long as it's somewhere warm and exotic. Where did you get this plane from? Barbie lent it to me. She trained me how to fly and then she said I could borrow it for the weekend. Oh, that's so nice of her. It took 6 months for me to train, but now I'm ready to fly. Make sure you don't crash the plane. Anna. Just kidding. Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go on our first plane adventure. I can tell it's going to be a great day. Yay, let's go. Woohoo! Yay! My luggage can go in this chair and I'll sit here. Are you sitting comfortably and have you got your seatbelt on? Yes, Captain. Right, I have to go through some safety procedures. Oh, but do you have to? Oh yes, Anna. Even if it's just me and you have to take safety very seriously. That's the first rule of flying school. Alright, but hurry up because I'm hungry. You won't be saying that if I have to crash land. Don't talk about crash landings. They make me feel funny. Right, pay attention. Ladies and gentlemen, please be aware that the emergency exits are to your left and right, here and here. In the event of an emergency, your oxygen mask will fall from overhead and your life jackets are located below your seat. Please remain calm and await further instructions. You can also press the button overhead if you need any further assistance. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for listening. Yay! It's finished! Do you want me to clap? Anna? Just kidding! Are you ready to fly in the sky? Because I sure am! Yay! I wish I could fly a plane. Maybe you could teach me one day. Well, if you listen long enough, maybe I will. Can't you at least give me a clue as to where we're going? Well, this morning I closed my eyes and put my finger on the map. That's where we're going. Ooh, how very spontaneous of you. Hey Elsa, what time are we going to eat? Anna, we haven't taken off yet. I know, but I love plain food. I've just been informed the runway is clear, so hold tight, Anna. All signals clear, ready for departure. Here we go. You're flying the plane! Well, it pretty much flies itself. But still, you're the pilot! Can I get out of my seat now? I guess so. Hey, what does this red button do? No, Anna, don't touch it! Whoops, too late. Anna, what have you done? It says the plane's going into space mode. Space mode? Do you mean as in outer space? Whoa! We're leaving the atmosphere! Anna, we're in space! Oh no! What are we going to do? There's only one thing to do. We'll have to land on the moon! Oh wow! We're actually in space! Lucky there were spacesuits in the plane! I know, right? I don't know what we would have done! I can't help but push a red button when I see one! Yes, Anna, and now look where we are. Let's focus on the positives, Elsa. Just look around you. Wow, isn't space so beautiful? Yeah, just look at all the stars. But don't look at the sun, you'll damage your eyes. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Come on, let's explore. Yay, come on. These moon boots are so comfy. They're kind of stylish, aren't they? Let's go over there. Woohoo! Yay! This is so much fun! I feel like I'm flying! This has got to be the best day out ever! I think it's more like a trip of a lifetime! If I'd known we were coming to the moon, I would have packed a picnic! But Anna, how are you going to eat through your spacesuit? Oh yeah! Forgot about that! Elsa, I just realised something! What? We're the first princesses on the moon! Oh yeah! That's amazing, isn't it? Come on, let's explore some more! Hey Elsa, look at me! I'm flying! Yeah, this is so much fun! It's not that easy to control where you're going! Oh look, there's planet Earth! It's so tiny from here and cute! I can see your house! Only joking! I used to think the moon was made of cheese, but actually it's just a big old rock. Let's put this flag on the moon to prove we were here. Where should we put it? I think that crater over there is perfect. Can I do it, Elsa? Please, please, please. Of course you can. Woo, here, take the flag. Ooh, this new gravity thing is a bit tricky. This flag is to prove that me and Elsa were on the moon. Doesn't that look great? Yay! Oh, Elsa, I'm floating away. Elsa! Elsa! I'm floating! Anna, wait there! I'm coming to get you! Wah! I can't control where I'm going! Actually, I think I got the hang of this now. Anna, can you help me out a bit here? Anna, where are you? Here I am, Elsa. Oh, there you are. Oh, we bumped heads. Anna, catch me if you can. Coming to get you. You're just a slow coach. Tag, you're it. You can't get me, you can't get me. Oh yeah, I can. Just watch. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I'm kind of getting used to life on the moon. Me too. Look at us, we're upside down. Woohoo! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.